Deep in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, is the city of Nawabshah. This city, often overlooked by many, holds a unique charm that is both captivating and enriching. Nawabshah is not just a dot on the map. It is a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine to create a tapestry of experiences that are both profound and memorable. It's a place with a lot of history and beautiful nature. The historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with its own story to tell. The lush landscapes, on the other hand, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life, providing a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. Nawabshah is a city of two sides. On one hand, you have the vibrant urban areas, bustling with activity and energy. On the other, the tranquil rural landscapes where time seems to slow down, allowing you to appreciate the simple pleasures of life. This contrast is what makes Nawabshah truly unique, offering the best of both worlds. The busy city centre turns into peaceful fields that go on forever. Here, the modern meets the traditional, creating a harmonious blend that is both dynamic and calming. The wide open fields are a testament to the city's agricultural heritage, stretching as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of freedom and openness. Life here is connected to the land. The farmers, with their unwavering dedication and hard work, are the backbone of Nawabshah's economy. Their connection to the land is evident in every aspect of their lives, from the way they cultivate their crops to the way they celebrate their harvests. This deep-rooted bond with the land is what gives Nawabshah its unique character. The people of Nawabshah are known for being friendly and welcoming. Their warm smiles and open hearts make visitors feel at home, creating an atmosphere of hospitality that is hard to find elsewhere. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning guest, the people of Nawabshah will always make you feel like part of their community. They want visitors to see how special their city is. Guided tours offer a glimpse into the rich history and vibrant culture of Nawabshah, showcasing its many hidden gems. From ancient landmarks to modern attractions, there is something for everyone to discover and enjoy. Nawabshah is important to Sindh's history and culture. The historical sites and cultural landmarks are a testament to the city's rich heritage, each one telling a story of its own. These sites are not just remnants of the past, they are living, breathing parts of Nawabshah's identity, preserving its legacy for future generations. It was a big centre for buying and selling things. The traditional markets and old trading centres were once the lifeblood of Nawabshah's economy, bustling with activity and commerce. Today they continue to thrive, offering a glimpse into the city's vibrant past and its enduring spirit of entrepreneurship. Being next to the Indus River made it an important spot for a long time. The river has always been a source of life and sustenance for the people of Nawabshah, providing water for their crops and a means of transportation for their goods. The riverbank activities, from fishing to boating, are a testament to the enduring relationship between the city and the river. Today, Nawabshah is still a key place for farming and business. The modern farming techniques and thriving business activities are a testament to the city's resilience and adaptability. Nawabshah continues to grow and evolve, embracing new opportunities while staying true to its roots. Its history and natural beauty make it a hidden treasure in Sindh. Nawabshah is a city that has something for everyone, from its rich history and cultural heritage to its stunning natural landscapes. It is a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. The mighty Indus River, one of the longest rivers in the world, flows majestically through Pakistan, carving its way through the landscape and nurturing the land it touches. This river, with its origins in the Tibetan plateau, travels over 3,000 kilometers before reaching the Arabian Sea. Along its journey, it passes through various regions, including the heart of Sindh, where the city of Nawabshah lies. The Indus River has been a cradle of civilization for thousands of years. It has shaped not only the physical landscape, but also the cultural and historical fabric of the regions it flows through. Ancient civilizations, such as the Indus Valley Civilization, thrived along its banks, leaving behind a rich legacy of history and culture. For the city of Nawabshah, the Indus River is more than just a body of water. It is a lifeline that sustains the city and its inhabitants. The river's presence is deeply intertwined with the daily lives of the people, providing them with essential resources and opportunities. The fertile plains around Nawabshah owe their lush greenery to the Indus River. Its waters irrigate vast expanses of agricultural land, allowing farmers to cultivate a variety of crops. This agricultural bounty not only feeds the local population, but also contributes to the region's economy. The river's water is a precious resource that transforms arid land into fertile fields. The sight of green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a testament to the life-giving power of the Indus. Farmers rely on this water to grow crops such as wheat, rice and sugarcane, which are vital to the region's sustenance and prosperity. The transformation of dry, barren land into vibrant green fields is nothing short of miraculous. The Indus River's irrigation system ensures that even during dry seasons, the fields remain productive, providing a stable source of income for the farming community. Beyond agriculture, the Indus River serves as a vital transportation route. Boats and ferries navigate its waters, connecting Nawabshah to other towns and cities. This waterway facilitates trade and commerce, allowing goods and people to move efficiently across the region. The river's connectivity extends beyond the local area, linking Nawabshah to the broader region of Sindh and even further. This network of waterways has historically been a crucial part of the region's infrastructure, enabling cultural exchange and economic growth. The people of Nawabshah hold the Indus River in high regard, recognizing its significance in their lives. The river is not only a source of physical sustenance, but also a spiritual and cultural symbol. Rituals and community gatherings by the riverbank are common, reflecting the deep respect and reverence the locals have for this natural wonder. The daily lives of Nawabshah's residents are closely tied to the Indus River. Farmers and fishermen alike depend on its waters for their livelihoods. The river provides fish, a staple in the local diet, and its water is essential for irrigating crops. Fishermen cast their nets into the river hoping for a bountiful catch. The Indus teems with a variety of fish species, supporting the local fishing industry. This age-old practice has been passed down through generations, and the river continues to be a reliable source of sustenance for many families. Farmers, on the other hand, utilize the river's water to irrigate their fields. Intricate networks of canals and channels distribute the water to farmlands, ensuring that crops receive the necessary hydration to thrive. This irrigation system is a lifeline for agriculture in the region. The Indus River is more than just a body of water. It is a symbol of life, resilience, and continuity. As the sun sets over its tranquil waters, the river reflects the enduring spirit of the people who live along its banks. The river is an integral part of Nawabshah's identity. It shapes the city's culture, traditions, and way of life. Cultural activities and festivals often take place by the river, celebrating the bond between the people and this natural wonder. The Indus River's presence in Nawabshah is a testament to the city's connection to nature and its historical roots. It serves as a reminder of the enduring relationship between the land, the water, and the people who call this place home. Nawabshah is a dry place with hot summers and mild winters. Located in the heart of Pakistan's Sindh province, this city experiences some of the most extreme temperatures in the region. The climate here is harsh, with the sun reigning supreme for most of the year. The landscape is characterized by its arid conditions, with vast stretches of land that seem to stretch endlessly under the relentless sun. The people of Nawabshah have adapted to this challenging environment, developing unique ways to cope with the heat and dryness. The sun is strong for most of the year. During the peak of summer, temperatures can soar to over 50 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. The midday sun is particularly intense, casting a blinding light over the city and creating shimmering heat waves that distort the landscape. The clear skies offer no respite, with the sun beating down mercilessly from dawn till dusk. This intense heat shapes every aspect of life in Nawabshah, from the daily routines of its residents to the architecture of its buildings. It makes the sky orange and gold. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of vibrant colors. The sunsets in Nawabshah are a sight to behold, with hues of orange, gold, and red painting the horizon. This daily spectacle is a reminder of the sun's omnipresence and its influence on the natural beauty of the region. The cooler evening temperatures provide a brief respite from the day's heat, allowing the residents to engage in outdoor activities and social gatherings. Life in Nawabshah follows the sun. The daily routines of its residents are closely tied to the sun's cycle. Early mornings are bustling with activity as people take advantage of the cooler temperatures to complete their chores and work. As the day progresses and the heat intensifies, the pace of life slows down. Businesses close for a midday break and the streets become eerily quiet as people seek refuge from the scorching sun. The evenings come alive again with the setting sun as families gather and the community comes together to enjoy the cooler hours. People change what they do based on the heat. The residents of Nawabshah have developed a deep understanding of their environment and have adapted their lifestyles accordingly. During the hottest part of the day, activities are minimized and people seek shade and cool spaces to rest. Traditional methods of cooling, such as using wet cloths and fans, are common. The architecture of homes and buildings is designed to maximize airflow and provide shade, with thick walls and small windows to keep the interiors cool. Days start early and end late, with a break during the hottest part of the day. This rhythm allows the residents to make the most of the cooler hours, while avoiding the peak heat. Early mornings are dedicated to work and chores, while the afternoons are reserved for rest and relaxation. As the sun sets, the city comes alive again, with markets opening and people socializing in the cooler evening air. This daily cycle is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the people of Nawabshah, with a break during the hottest part of the day. This midday pause is a crucial part of life in Nawabshah, allowing residents to escape the oppressive heat and recharge for the rest of the day. The streets are deserted, and a sense of stillness pervades the city as everyone retreats indoors. This break is not just a practical necessity, but also a cultural tradition that has been passed down through generations. The dry weather affects everything in Nawabshah. From the types of crops that can be grown to the way buildings are constructed, the arid climate influences every aspect of life. The soil is parched and cracked, making agriculture a challenging endeavor. Farmers have to rely on irrigation and drought-resistant crops to sustain their livelihoods. The dry conditions also mean that water is a precious resource, and its conservation is a top priority for the community. It affects how houses are built, with shade and good airflow. The architecture in Nawabshah is a reflection of the need to combat the heat. Homes are designed with thick walls to insulate against the heat and small windows to minimize the entry of hot air. Courtyards and verandas provide shaded outdoor spaces, while high ceilings and ventilation systems ensure good airflow. These traditional building techniques have been perfected over generations and are a testament to the ingenuity of the people in adapting to their environment. With shade and good airflow, the use of natural cooling methods such as planting trees around homes and using water features to cool the air is common. These techniques help to create a more comfortable living environment and reduce the reliance on artificial cooling systems. The residents of Nawabshah have a deep respect for their environment and have developed sustainable practices to live in harmony with the harsh climate. It affects what kinds of crops can grow. The agricultural practices in Nawabshah are tailored to the dry conditions, with a focus on drought-resistant crops such as millet, sorghum, and pulses. Farmers use innovative irrigation techniques to make the most of the limited water supply, and crop rotation is practiced to maintain soil fertility. Despite the challenges, agriculture remains a vital part of the local economy, providing food and livelihoods for many residents. It even affects how fast or slow life goes. Even though it's hard, the people of Nawabshah have learned to live in this dry environment. The pace of life is slower, with a focus on conserving energy and staying cool. Activities are planned around the sun's cycle, with early mornings and late evenings being the busiest times of the day. This slower pace allows residents to cope with the heat and maintain their well-being. The people of Nawabshah have learned to live in this dry environment. They have developed a deep connection with their land and have a profound understanding of its rhythms and cycles. This knowledge is passed down through generations, ensuring that the community continues to thrive despite the challenging conditions. The resilience and adaptability of the people of Nawabshah are a testament to their strength and resourcefulness. They know the land very well. This intimate knowledge of their environment allows them to make the most of the resources available and to live in harmony with the harsh climate. The people of Nawabshah have a deep respect for their land and have developed sustainable practices to ensure its preservation for future generations. Their way of life is a testament to the enduring human spirit and the ability to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging conditions. Nawabshah is known for its farms. The land around the city grows lots of crops. Wheat fields look like gold in the sun. Cotton plants are full of white fluff. Sugarcane grows tall. These crops are important to Nawabshah's economy. They feed the nation and help many families make a living. Farming is a big tradition in Nawabshah. Farmers have worked the land for many years, teaching their kids what they know. They understand nature. They work with the seasons to grow the best crops. Seeing farmers in the fields shows how connected the city is to the earth. Nawabshah has lots of farms, but there are also beautiful natural areas. Desert plants grow in surprising places. Their bright flowers add color to the dry ground. You can hear lots of birds singing. Birds fly high above, looking down for food. The plants and animals of Nawabshah show how strong nature is. They show how life can survive even in hard places. These beautiful parts of nature remind us that even in a busy city, nature is close by. Nawabshah has a long history and culture. The area has seen many powerful rulers come and go. Many different cultures have influenced it. You can see this in the city's buildings, food and traditions. The city's history is easy to see in its old landmarks. These buildings remind us of Nawabshah's past. The people of Nawabshah are proud of their history. They know it's important to keep their traditions alive. You can see this in the city's culture. Traditional music and dancing are popular. They show the heart of Nawabshah. Close to Nawabshah is the town of Beet Shah. This town has the shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. He was a very important poet and philosopher. People from all over Sindh and other places visit his shrine. They look for peace and inspiration in his poems. Going to Beet Shah is like going into Sindh's spiritual heart. You can connect with the area's rich traditions. The shrine is a beautiful example of Sindhi architecture. It has detailed tile work and bright colors. Nawabshah is full of hidden treasures and surprises. It's a place where the past and present live together. The city's natural beauty, its history, and its culture make it a special place to visit. Whether you're exploring the city, walking through fields, or visiting the shrine, you'll love Nawabshah. The real spirit of Nawabshah is in its people. They are warm, welcoming, and connected to their land. They are happy to share their city with visitors. Nawabshah is a city you won't forget. It's a place you'll want to visit again and again.